Right. So what is our requirement is, providing permissions to external DB groups, right? What is the meaning is, let me go to our security table. We know we have our security table, right? Where is that? Here. This is what our security table. This is what our security table. And let us say here I am seeing any one user, this user I am seeing it. This user is belongs to what department? I mean what group? Sales rep.
Sales rep.
Okay, and this guy belongs to what group? Sales admin. And similarly, this guy belongs to what group? RR. Different groups of people are available here. Let me go for one user, B Jansen user we have is available. Let me take this user. Now, let me go to the application here, sign out, and I am trying to log in. Okay, B, is it correct? Okay, password is BJ. Now we are trying to password as BJ, sign in. Now, if you see carefully, this user able to see one of the folder called as B160 folder is able to see it. Yes or no?
Yes.
But what I am thinking is this user should not see it. Not only this user, this user is belongs to what group here?
Sales rep.
Any member who is belongs to sales rep group. Any user who is belongs to sales rep group, that guy should not see this folder. Right. Then what we have to do it? First tell me, is it my account? If you go and try to see it, is it reflecting any sales rep here?
No.
No. First we have to think about that one, how to make the sales rep should be reflect here. First we have to systematize to identify this user is belongs to sales rep, we have to identify it. And on the sales rep level, if you provide the permissions on that folder, that will be doing the job. Let me see the groundwork point by point so that you'll be able to follow much better. See here, groundwork. Update the table, security table, group column with your batch number, update security table, whatever it is. Up to you. If you want to update it, or else you can leave it. That is not a big deal. Now, what is the name is available in the backend? Sales rep is the name is available. What is the name? Sales rep is the name is available. If you want to update that sales rep with some other your batch number, you can update it. Why I given this point is, previous batch people maybe used the sales rep word. The reason, in order to make your work different, I am trying to change sales rep into what? Your batch number. I am change it. Okay, let us do this point, whatever we have it. Control C, and I am going to the database. It won't allow to paste it. Okay, we'll type it. Where GRP is equal to, what is this?
B1.
Sales rep. First, let me see this total data is now sales rep data. This data I want to update it, right? Update the table called as security table, and I want to set GRP is equal to, what I have to set it? What is your batch number? B160. Sales rep. B160. Okay. B160 sales rep, where this group is equal to sales rep. Run it. 34 rows are updated. Commit it. Now really it is happened or not to validate. Select star from security table. Select star from security table. Then we are trying to run it. Now we are able to see it is updated or not. It's updated. Now that's fine. Let us go and try to see the next point then. Second point. Log into the analytics application with any user of security table. I mean any user of security table of sales rep group. My account, notice that our role not mapped. Yes, we already observed that one. Still we'll observe one more time. Let us say any one user. Let me take here B New Year. Let me take that user. Sign out. What is that username? BNEWER. Password is BN. Sign in. Now, if you go and try to see the my account, are you seeing that group? No. Okay,
No.
excellent. Next is create a role. In order to see that automatically here, we have to create what role? Log into the enterprise manager, navigate to the security tab. Okay, we are aware of that one. Log into the enterprise manager. So EM, we are trying to log in. Then sign in. Then we have to go for here business intelligence, BA instance. Then security tab. Then we have here configure and manage application roles. We have to create a role here, new role we have to create it with the name whatever you given the back end here. What is the name we given? B160 sales rep. Same name, dot to dot we have to provide here. We have to provide here. So let me provide here B160 sales rep. Is it same name?
Yes.
Same name. Only I provided the name only I provided, then I clicked on OK. Next, just I am confirming is it created or not. It's created. After providing the name, let me sign out, then sign in with the user. What is the username? Now go for my account, roles and catalog rules. Wow, beautiful. What you are seeing?
B166.
How system recognized? How this user is mapped to this role? Did you map this user to this role anywhere? From external table only it is taken, right? How the communication is happened? How it is happened is you created one initialization block. Did you remember? Because of that initialization block only it is running now, right?
18.
This initialization block is capturing whatever we have the group value. That group value it is capturing into one predefined system session variable called as group. The value of the group in the runtime is what? B160 sales rep. In the runtime, the value of the group is what? B160 sales rep. In the runtime, the value of the group is B160 sales rep. This value is exactly matching what? With enterprise manager role. If it is matching like that, then this user will be member of this role. If you understand this point, I think I am good. What is happening in the runtime? In the SQL query, GRP column value is storing into where? Group variable. If that value is same as enterprise manager role, right? Whenever it is same, it automatically internally synchronization will happens and the user becomes member of that enterprise manager role. Our group is automatically mapped based on the common title, common name. Here, what is the name? B160 sales rep. In enterprise manager also, what is the name? B160. That is the reason it is matching. That is the reason even I given here bolded letters here. What I given here bolded letters, it must be same as group name in the external table. While you are creating an enterprise manager, this role name must be same as group name in the external table. If you do like that, then only synchronization will be happening. Got it? Now if you go and try to log in with any user, for example, what is this? CDREW. Let me log in with that user. CDREW. What is the password? Small c, small d. Now if you go and try to see here, my account screen, roles and catalog groups, we are seeing what we are seeing. Any user now log in, then automatically is a member of the enterprise manager role because the corresponding care we taken. Now you tell me, let us say what I will do now is, this user is able to see happily B160 folder. But what is my goal? Any user who belongs to this group should not see this folder, right? That is what my initial requirement. Then what I can do, go to the more, first I have to sign out, sign in as WebLogic, then go to the catalog, then go to the B160 more, then what is available here? Permit plus symbol for which role?
B160 sales.
B160 sales rep. Move that one. What do you want to do?
No access.
For this role I given no access means in the runtime what will happen? The user also will have to have access. That's what I mean. Click on here OK. Now click on here OK. Then sign out. Then sign in as any one user. Just now we checked with one user that is called as CDREW CD. Then if you see here carefully, catalog and B160 folder, are you seeing here? No. Because this resource is member of what is this role. This role level what you provided, no access. That's what I want to talk about here. Providing no access to any one folder. Now we provide the no access to any one folder and we are trying to test here, we tested. Any questions you have it?
Sir, I have one question. If that user contains more than one role, means it will affect?
If that user contains more than one role, yes, it will be.
Okay.
Then we have to have two entries in the table.
Okay.
Two records should be available in the table, then it will happen.
Okay, sir.
Right. Now, okay, I think we are good with how to provide the permissions to external table, providing permissions to external table database groups, or mapping external table groups with what? Application roles. Only thing is group name and application role name should be same. Okay, that's what you have to do it.